Welcome back, YouTube. We're down here in the shop, and I haven't really done much since I showed the last video, but we got a few different things in here. This bucket right here is going to get made into a grapple bucket for the skid steer. I'm in the process of putting my tractor back together, but I'm having some problems with the magneto, so I might have to tear the magneto all apart. But as far as the oil line and stuff like that, the oil line is back together, so that's good. But we will have to figure something out for that magneto. The big news is something may look just slightly different up in that general area there. And yes, the wooden truss is out of there, is gone. Unfortunately, I had to take that out of there, but I don't really think it needed to be there now anyways, because I think I'm going to raise the roof across that whole area. And so I had to cut it up to get it out of there. I don't think I'm even going to try and put it back up, because there's not going to be any weight right there, and so I just don't think it's necessary. But I'll show you what we got done here. So anyways, I think you get the gist. The garage door is working. Overhead door came out today, and we ended up having to do more work than we thought, and had to actually take all the springs down and flip a bunch of stuff around because it was all set up backwards and everything. But it's up, and so that's a good sign. And we're just gonna, I'll put it back down here now. But we got some things to work on still as far as the door goes. But you know, it's functioning, and so that means we can get things in and out of here, which is a really good thing. All right, so that's really all I have for an update for now. It's just a quick one, but we're gonna finish out. You can see the light coming in up there where the tin still needs to be put. Once we get that finished out, then that'll stop the wind and stuff from getting in here. We gotta fix the bottom of the door and get some better sealant on there. And then we'll be able to finish off the roof here, which will be a good deal. And then once the roof is finished off, we can get the rest of the lights up, and then the lights will be working. And then as far as I'm concerned, the shop is fully functional. We do still have to insulate their ceiling, but as far as being able to get in and out and do everything we need to do, it'll be functional to that extent. And so it's a really exciting thing, and I'm just glad to be this far. So I'm going to work on my tractor for a while here, and then I got to get to work on this skid loader bucket too, because that's got to get done here so we can get the barn cleaned, and maybe once we switch sides with the ewes so that the manure isn't so high that we can't even open our doors and stuff. So we're building a grapple bucket here, and I'll do a video series on that as well. But we're going to be using chisel plow shanks as the tines for the grapple, and we're going to use this old bucket that won't work so well on a tractor anymore because of that. We're going to use it to rebuild it for the skid loader. And so I look forward to doing that project, and I'll make sure I share that with you guys as well. But thanks for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.